Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, and today I have relaunched my book club, and my book club is called Dr. Afshan Hashmi's Glam and Glitzy Book Club. And as you know, I am best-selling author of two books, the Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And my second book is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And soon the audiobooks will be launched. So please go and buy these books as well as the audiobook and make my audiobooks also a bestseller. And I have read my audiobook myself, and if you have needs for narration of the audiobook, you can contact me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com. I have a radio and TV show and people love my voice, so that's why I thought, why not help some authors to narrate the book. And I have gone through the process myself, so I exactly know that how to launch an audiobook. So having said that, friends, these are my two books, Amazon bestsellers. This one was a business book where I devised a new business model, and I mentioned jugaad, to how to maximize resources. And this one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, which is a crime thriller, suspense and mystery book geared towards science fiction, and people have loved it a lot. And actually, when this book was launched last year, there was no trace of coronavirus, and this deals with bioterrorism, that how a deadly virus can ruin the human population. So this is a very very timely book, and so was this, because it was launched in 2015 when the economy was troubled. Having said that, let me tell you a little bit about Lou Dobbs uh, today, because you would be listening to introduction and some highlights of the chapter. So before I start that, let me read his little bit about him, although everybody knows, but I want to tell about him because many people ask me to also tell about Lou Dobbs in this book club. Lou Dobbs is the New York Times best-selling author of 6 books and the host of the #1 news program on business television, Lou Dobbs Tonight, on Fox Business Network. He's also the host of nationally syndicated Lou Dobbs Financial Reports, airing on the radio daily. Named TV's premier business news anchorman by the Wall Street Journal, Dobbs has numerous Emmys, a Cable Ace Award, a Peabody Award, and many other distinguished honors. Denise Neal, another author of the book, co-author, has over 30 years of experience in journalism, from Forbes and the Wall Street Journal to anchor for CNBC and Fox Business. He is the CEO of Dennis Neal Media, providing content training, strategy, and investment advice. Having said this, let me now put this audio book, and the book's name is The Trump Century, and here
Few months
it
ago,
goes.
we were enjoying boom times in the Trump era.
So this is the introduction. I'm trying to play the introduction little bit.
Lives. Only months ago, we were enjoying boom times in the Trump era, and the next moment, we were fighting a mysterious new virus in one of the worst crises in our nation's history. This stunning reversal.
So I read the whole book name, The Trump Century: How Our President Changed the Course of History Forever, by Lou Dobbs with Denise Neal. And here I go and put the introduction again for you
With
guys.
only months to go in the 2020 presidential election, putting at risk not just the next 4 years, but perhaps the next 20 or 30 years and beyond. As I write these words to you on Memorial Day 2020, From our farmhouse some miles from Sussex, New Jersey, all of America is on lockdown. So am I, in self quarantine for 2 months now. I'm fortunate to be able to host Lou Dimes tonight on the Fox Business Network from my home. We put the show in quarantine on Friday, March 13th. I had visited Vice President Mike Pence in Washington to interview him for my program on March 4th. One of my staffers later became patient zero at the Fox News building on the Avenue of the Americas in Midtown Manhattan. He's fine. A week later, we were up and running from.
And now this was a little bit of the introduction and chapter 1.
Chapter 1, America First. Donald John Trump has beaten back the haters and emerged from a cauldron of conflict to become the greatest president in America's history. He's joined the pantheon of presidents, including Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Franklin Roosevelt, who have set the agenda for the decades that followed, guiding our nation through some of its hardest times while shaping the future before it arrives. He has delivered on the unassailable slogan that drove his first campaign for president: Make America Great Again. President Trump has overcome legions of enemies and racked up a string of seemingly impossible victories. Chapter 3, China lied.
This is chapter 3, some highlights.
China lied, people died. That rhyme took hold on Twitter as the Wuhan crisis spread around the globe in 2020. China lied about the Wuhan virus and waited months to alert the world. When it notified the World Health Organization, it claimed that the virus posed no risk of human transmission. Then it lied about how many people had died in the contagion.
So this was some highlight of the book, and this is a very, very nice book, and I feel that it is a tribute to President Trump for all his hard work, and I really like the book, and someone wrote so passionately. Lou Dobbs did a wonderful job, and I wish him all the best. And I wish that this book becomes New York Times bestseller as well. Should dominate the Amazon charts. Having said that, let me read some reviewers wrote about the book but before that, let me tell you that President Trump tweeted to promote Fox Business host Lou Dobbs' new book, which happens to be a love letter to the Commander in Chief. Lou Dobbs wrote a great new book, The Trump Century: How Our President Changed the Course of History Forever. The president tweeted Saturday, strongly recommended a special guy. And I would also recommend this book, and I am giving this book 5 stars because this is very well written book. Thanks, Luda, for. And now let me read some comments which I got from Amazon page of some reviewers. Thank you, Ludops, for your honest assessment of President Donald J. Trump. He's truly a great man with a big heart and love for America. It is my hope that he will continue to win. Your book was a great tribute to the man. Thank you. Another reviewer wrote. Now I will talk about another reviewer, and that reviewer wrote, I received the book a few days ago and started reading it. It seems to be well written and it reads like Lou speaks on his show. I really enjoy listening to Lou Dobbs with his clear and honest portrayal of the way it is. I am disappointed in the physical quality of the book. There is a nice colored dust cover on the book, which is a little rumbled, and once it wears or tears and has to be removed. It's just plain red book. The spine of the book is a little crushed on both ends. Based on the appearance quality only, I have reduced my rating from 5 to 4 as all round presentation is important for me. Now there are some quotes from different people about this book, and I would read that. Lou Dobbs hits the mark in his thoughtful and reasoned book. President Trump changed the course of history in such a dramatic and profound way that future presidents, no matter their party affiliation, are going to be making their case based on the direction Donald Trump took the nation. America First was the president's agenda, and Lou Dobbs walks us through how it will change America for the better now and throughout our lifetime. A great read that makes such profound case. And this quote was given by Jason Shepard. Now I will read another quote, and here I go. Today's leftists are hoping for a revolution, but they have missed the revolution that has already come. As the Trump century fascinately shows, the president has so tram- transformed the way we walk about war, allies, and trade agreements that it is impossible to imagine ever going back. It's perfect antidote to the manipulative media. And this quote was given by Sarah A. Carter. Now there is another quote by Miss Jim Jordan, and here I go. For almost 4 years, Democrats have been singularly focused on attacking President Trump for political gain. Meanwhile, Dobbs shows how he has been singularly focused on getting Americans back to work, pulling down the bureaucracy, and restoring our sovereignty. The Democrats live in his world now. The Trump century might force them to admit Jordan. And let me read. You already heard like some highlights from introduction and first chapter and third chapter, and now let me give you some overview of the book. And it is how did and here is the overview. How did Donald Trump almost single-handedly reverse America's decline? As the 21st century began, the world's only superpower was economically adrift, policing the world at the expense of American lives, and trillions of dollars weighed down by one sided trade and security agreements with Europe and China ratified in a different era. Elites of both political parties battled over who would manage America's decline from preeminent world power. In the Trump century, the indomitable Lou Dobbs explains how Trump has steered the debate every day he has been in politics, greatly expanding what Washington thinks is possible. By 2016, the globalist elites demanded no one speak about limiting illegal immigration or securing our borders. The elites told you Communist China would soon be like us, and the PC orthodoxy told you what you could or could not say. You were told America's middle class could never grow again and wages would be stagnant into perpetuity. Trump reversed all of that as radical Democrats and the deep state conspired to overthrow his presidency as the deadly pandemic raged and orchestrated street protests and violent riots dominated news headlines. He has not only made America great again but created a new standard for all future presidents and likely has set the American agenda for the next 100 years. The Trump century opens a window into Trump's thinking on the economy, foreign policy, and border security, and will energize his allies when they realize the future they have shaped. The Trump century, how our presidents changed the course of history forever by Lou Dobbs, broadside books, the veteran journalist and commentator explains how President Trump has steered the debate every day he has been in politics, greatly expanding what Washington thinks is possible. He argues that Trump has not only made America great again, but created a new standard for all future presidents and likely has set the America agenda for the next 100 years. The Dobbs Tonight quote of the day comes from my new book, Dobbs revealed in a perhaps predictable choice. In it, I wrote about the president quote, if President Trump can win again, he would join Winston Churchill and Alexander the Great among the greatest leaders of world history. And this is a beautiful book and beautifully written. So I would highly recommend it that please go and buy this book and read it and make it a New York Times bestseller. And also, it should be Amazon bestseller and it should dominate the Amazon chart for many, many months to come. And wish you all the best, Lou Dobbs, and having said that, I just love to read books. I have been reading thousands of books. I have reviewed thousands of books. So if you have needs to review your books, just send me an email at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com, and I will be more than happy to give you a review. And if you want to come in my radio show, and there is a very discounted price to come on my radio show for authors especially, and it is $100, but you can get exposure to 300 million people. So do think of that option also. Or you can give an ad on my TV show with broadcast on Fox 5 Plus, and it has 6.2 million viewers, and it comes on every last Saturday, and it comes in the segment Capital Forum, and from 7 to 8 a.m. for 6 minutes, and I am giving 1 minute for sponsorship. So if you have those needs also, please contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. And I love to read books, so I would love to review your books. Or if you are a movie producer, I would love to review your movies. Or if you are a cosmetic maker, I would love to review that. But movies and cosmetics I do on my radio show, and here this will be exclusively for books. So if you want your book to be part of this Dr. Afshan Hashmi's Glam and Glitzy Club, please write to me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. And here are my two books which have already been Amazon bestsellers. So please go and buy these two books. And having said that, cheers. And this is your loving author and best-selling author, Dr. Radio and TV personality, Dr. Afshan Hashmi, now signing off from this episode. And love you all, and hope you will like my books. And please go and see my books on Amazon and Barnes and Noble and wherever books are sold. And please go and buy it. And love you all, and bye bye.